Hello, my name is Ben and I am not a great gamer. Welcome back to Crusader Kings 2, One True Roman, in which we play as Doge Faliero the Fourth, the greatest. I call him the greatest of Venice. We are 47, and we're not unhealthy, so we should be good for a while. But we may not be. Well, so we will see. We are currently in a war. Remember last week when I was like, yeah, well, we're not going to be in any wars. We're going to take a break from wars. We're not going to be in any wars. Yeah, I didn't do that. So I'm under a little bit of pressure to actually stop warring. For instance, this guy over here has negative 61... Who's your liege? Not that guy. Where is he? I can't find him. This guy. Here we are. This guy, he still likes me. That's what's kind of amazing. Where is it? Oh. Maybe it hasn't updated yet. I just loaded the game up, so... But, yeah. Oh, Dukes Ennio of Cyrenaica. Where is that guy? Anyway. Oh, I know where he is. He's down here. This guy. Yeah, this guy likes me by +3 because I've had raised levies for a long time. So, anyway, we are in a war to claim like the bottom half of this, you know, Aquitaine, if you know, but the bottom half of France, if you don't, for a dude. And hopefully it will remain in the Byzantine Empire. And then I am actually going to try to not go to war for a while. We'll see how that actually works. In other news, the Ilkhanate is still there. The Byzantine Empire grew somewhere in there. I don't know what happened here, but yeah, someone went and took a chunk of Comania when they were down, because the Ilkhanate's still here. Hey, speaking of Ilkhanate, who's your liege? Okay, are you in a war? 5th Mongol invasion of Khiva. Where is that exactly? This guy right there. Yeah, he's a county. He's gonna die. So yeah, if you really like Usturt, and you really like Turkish Manichaean folks, sorry, too bad. They're going away. Anyway, let us get this war fired up, and then let's see what we can do. We are plotting against somebody. We are plotting against the Queen of France, actually. I think I just kind of picked that because it was fun. Maybe. Anyway, we're plotting against the trying to kill the Queen of France to prevent the King of France from having children. And actually, if you look at the guy that I am trying to claim the southern half of France for is actually kind of in line for the northern half of France as well, but we're gonna have to kill some people. So we're gonna kill some people. Oh hey, Duke Theophilus, the Shadow of Adrianopolis. You got something revoked? Why did you get something revoked? Huh? I don't know. It seems like it was probably a worthwhile thing, or at least like she could do it without pissing everybody off. At least that's what it seems like. Huh. Lots of revocations going on in the Byzantine Empire these days. Oh yes. Oh, mercenaries on the road will kill Queen Carlotte. Well, the roads just aren't safe anymore. It's true. Hey, there we go. This is alright. Antonio Faliero became a Grey Eminence. 21 diplomacy. He's pretty crap for just about everything else. So, hey, Antonio, how about if you get married? Let's get you... Try genius. Yeah, I'll always have to try genius. Even if they're 12, which... That's not too bad. That'll cost 126 gold. You know what? That's okay. I think I'll do that. We're not, like, rolling in it these days, but we are making money. Oh, barely. Oh, man. Oops. Oh, the Doge of Tunis died. Where was he? Oh, we are still in line to become Doge again, thanks to Doge Faliero. He's very cool. He has very high prestige. No, he does not have very high prestige. His prestige is kind of terrible. Where did that prestige become so terrible? I don't know. Anyway. Huh. I don't know what happened there. But yeah, Tunis just died. This is a new Tunis. Siege of Carcassonne. Again, it's like we've done this before. This is, in fact, the second war for this same area that we've done. The first one was invalidated, if you missed that episode. Okay, we now have 368 plot power. Oh, that's right. It's about to fire. What was I going to do? I'm going to check the Republic. Yeah, it's still kind of a tight race in the top 3 contenders. Ziani. Okay, Granada. I was trying to remember who was in 3rd in the race. Okay, spice must flow, gain 100 gold, and my son Roberto. We are going to do the following. Actually, never mind. Piety? You think we're short on piety? No, we're not short on piety. Now this guy still loves me. Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay. No, absolutely not. You may not go. That being said, so one thing I want to do is I want to actually build trading posts in the papacy. Not that it's going to be super, you know, beneficial to us in the long run. But what this allows me to do is I want to take... I want to actually take these 2 counties from the pape, from the papal, from the pape, give them to the Byzantine Empress, and then have her actually wipe out the Pope, and actually take Rome. So that's the plan. We'll see how that works out. Okay, the mercenaries ambushed the carriage of Queen Carlotte and made short work of her. They let the driver go, and he is convinced the attack was carried out by highwaymen. Oh, those nasty bandits. Yes, I did succeed in the plot to kill Carlotta. Do you have any wives left? No. No. Can I kill you? No, I can't. Can I kill you? Maybe. Where are you? Where are you? Well, let's do auto invite first, and we'll see who comes up. So the reason I'm plotting to do that. Okay. Children, siblings. This guy's father. Okay. The guy that I am currently claiming a big chunk of France for is this dude. His grandfather was King Goucher the Wise. That's why we can do this. Now, where is this guy's son? Let's see here. So this guy here. If I kill off him, his kids, and like his siblings, this whole thing is actually going to go straight to the guy that I'm claiming this for. So that's going to be good if we can pull it off. Oh, who are you? Can I ransom you? 10 gold is 10 gold. 10 gold is indeed 10 gold. How are my sieges doing? They're alright. Benedetta, you are ugly. Well, welcome... Oh, sorry. Benedetta. Well, welcome to the family. It's a little too close for comfort to my own name, but you know what? We'll just go with it. He's kind of funny looking too, actually. Batista. Oh well. Benedetta, welcome to the family. Oh, wow. Malaga. What the heck? They're still Vikings? How the hell are there still Vikings? Okay, I do not approve of this, but I didn't know that they had that. Vikings? Are you kidding me? Catholic. Is there... Where? Where are the Vikings? I don't see any Norse. Or Germanic, or whatever it is these days. I see Sumenosco. Is it right there? Yes, right there. The Island Islands. Oh my goodness, this guy. He's like Chief Baga of Island. Oh my goodness. I kind of want to like give this guy money or something. Send gift. Nah, that's a lot of money. Wow. Good work. I may have to go kill your troops, but good work. Okay, this war isn't going quite as I thought it would. I lose more men per battle than I'd planned in the sieges. The sieges is going on forever. Wow, good work. More manpower and more siege weapons is what I need. Perhaps a friend could assist me with this. Ask him to join my war. I need no help. This war will soon be won. Actually, that's pretty true. Yeah, I don't actually need his help, but thank you though. Luckily, it's no kind of sort of holy war, so he probably would have joined. Except, I don't know. Maybe I should have just done it and find out. Meanwhile, the war that the Basilissa is in. Is she still a Basilissa? Yeah, she is. That's not going super well, but I bet you it'll get better. Actually, diplomatic view. Yeah, she's only okay. So yeah, the Basilisk is only a war with like this guy and these dudes and this. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Not. Excuse me. Not a problem. Are you still at war with the Knights Templar? Yeah. Yep. 92%. So yeah, not too much longer. His other war will be over, I'm sure. Oh hey, hey troops. Oh, might have a battle. Unlikely. He's not coming after me, but you know. Oh, what I tell you? Yeah, the Basilisk's war is now 30% in the positive. Good work. Oh wow, one battle. I hesitate to know what went on in that battle. One battle got 32 war score. That's kind of crazy. Oh, what am I doing? I'm on like speed 2. No more speed 2. Speed 2 is no fun. I'm just sort of sitting around, watching armies sit around. In fact, we're gonna go speed 4. Oh. Are you gonna do that? We'll arrive in Foix. Is this Foix? This is Foix. Is Foix mountains? Yes, Foix is mountains. Okay, I'm not gonna even reinforce that. Okay. Dumb France AI is dumb. Oh, Siege of Saysac. Okay, good. Are we still sieging? Yes, we are. Doge Faliero became a tough soldier. Good work. Wow. Intrigue. You better hope people like you. Oh, people won't like you. You only have three diplomacy. Yeah, huh. We'll see. We'll see what we end up doing with you. Quick. Let's find a nice quick girl. She's 20. You know what? We'll actually take this, because I can't imagine. Bride price of 1. You know what? That'll work. That'll work. Okay. This dude is now my prisoner. He has slow fever and 3 martial. Hey, do you want to pay me gold? No, you don't. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. Oh, sweet. This I cannot pronounce that word. Balaisez, Debage has arrived at my court. Excellent. That's well. Have babies as much as you can. You being a mastermind theologian and all. Good luck. Siege of Mende. As long as we're still sieging, that's what matters. Siege of Foix, got it. Okay, Luigi Faliero claims that he would be a better magistros than Doge Faliero. How is my council looking, actually? Doge Faliero, okay. Contarini, okay. Is he my new magistros? 17, and who are you? You're 18. We are gonna go for opinion. We're gonna say give Doge Faliero a chance, and then we'll see what happens next. Oh, there was a battle there. For reasons I don't understand. there was a battle there, but we won. That's what's important. The Vikings are gone. They have left our fair country. Oh, are you really doing that? We'll arrive in Gévaudan. This is Gévaudan. Train Hills. Round 4. Actually, let's see if I can. Oh, I can. Oh. Let's split this in half. Let's send a little bit of help. Siege of Montpellier. Oh. Now we're going to Melguil. Well, how if we just stay here? Okay, so he's actually grouping up his stuff. Yeah, we are his only war right now. Okay. So 3,800. Oh, okay. Carcassonne. Okay, so 3,800 troops are going to attack 4,000, which, you know, not ideal. Let's get a little reinforcement going. It's fine. Now you're going to Narbonne. How about if you not go to Narbonne? Now you're going to Foix. How about if you... What if I meet you in Foix? Oh, hey. Siege of Alais. Where is that? I don't know, but... Yeah, okay, that'll work. Yeah, go, go. Nope. Basically, if we can do this, you know... If we can do this and basically just keep him from not ever even engaging our forces, that'd be kind of cool. We just siege a bunch of stuff down. I rule in the most serene republic. I just do. Look, you don't even like me. Oh, you're my rival. What the hell? No, you're not my... No, you lose. You lose. Where's that pile of troops? Now you're going to Rouergue. Cool, I'll go to Narbonne and be ready for you. Now you're going to... Yeah. I can do that. Oh. Nothing happens when time is stopped. Right? Right. Siege of Saint-Gaudens. Okay, we're still going. And there's a fight. Okay, successor nomination. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Oh, we still have Basilissa Anna the Hammer. I bet her heir died. Yes, this is a different dude. Raphael Melicenos. Okay, well... Let's just keep the Basilissa liking me for now. He is a dwarf! Oh, yes! I have to vote for this guy. Yes! Oh, yeah. There we go. Now, I don't even know how this guy is related to the Basilissa. Do you like me? Yes. Okay, who is this dude? Magistros of Rhodos. Basileus Anthemios. Oh, wow. He's the child of an emperor of the Byzantine Empire and a or is the grandchild of an emperor of the Byzantine Empire and a king of Hungary. Wow, that's neat. Okay, he's the nephew of the Basilissa. Okay, that's good to know. That is good to know. It doesn't really mean anything, but it's fun to know. Okay, so there's a fight going on. We're probably going to win it before my reinforcements even arrive, but, you know, better safe than dead, I suppose. Yeah, I'm just going to kill this off. Yes, we have a new trading post. It is built. Okay. Is everybody still sieging? Yes, they are. Oh. Oh, there's a little pile of troops there. There we go. Message about offer of peace. No. We surrender. Oh. Oh, he is surrendering. I bet you... Oh, did someone else join, like, go to war with him? No? It's his only war. He just surrenders. Oh, hey, never mind. We were at 100. I didn't even look. We're at 100 war score. You know what? Accept. Okay, there we go. That's what I was wondering about. Yes, the Byzantine Empire just got a new kingdom. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Guys, get to one spot. And, actually, can I just tell you all to disband? Yes. Still, get to that spot. Okay. Whew. Well, okay. I suspect we actually are done with war for a little while. What is my plot doing? What is my plot doing? Hey, Beatrice. Beatrice, you do. You want to join my little plot, right? Right. No. I paid you money. Come on. Send gift. Huh. Oops. Oh, that's interesting. I've never had that happen before where you... It says if you offer money, they will join, and then... Okay, one more. Send some cash. Now, do you want to join the plot? Yes, thank you. Okay. Alliard. Okay, send gift. Thank you. And... Yes, good. Good, good, good. The Countess of Mine. I don't think we want to do that. Her gift is probably going to be... Oh, it's only 20 bucks. Okay, sweet. And yes. How much money am I spending here? Yeah, I hate it when that happens. You give them cash and they don't join your little plot. Okay. We'll start with this. We'll see how that goes. Did I not oh man. What the heck? Did that guy die too? No. Okay, who is this? Prince Eustianos. Is he also a Milicenos? Who is voting for him? So he's your heir now. No. Sorry. I keep clicking the wrong buttons here. Fine, let's just nominate this guy. He is the Dukes of Colonia. Where is that? Oh, over there. Yeah, that's fine. That'll work. Nominate. And what is his name? Eustianos. Yeah, this guy. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. He's ugly. One way or another, we're going to have a funny looking, either a dwarf or an ugly dude. Maybe an ugly dwarf. Maybe not. Maybe, like, have his nose cut off or something. Oh, wait. Never mind. Let's not talk about that. Urbino. Became a skilled tactician. We need to work on... Yeah. We got to work on our education around here. Because, yeah, skilled tactician is not what I paid for. You should have studied harder. Okay, fine. Let's get you a strong girl. Oh, hey, she's 15 and strong. De la Gardesca. She will cost 331 ducats. We are not paying that. Quick. What do we got? What do we got? She's 12. Oh, she's 15. It's 101 ducats. That's not bad. What were we finding? Quick. She's craven. Not that that matters. She's got some good stats. Yeah, we should grab her. We should grab her. It's like she's on sale or something. She kind of is. I mean, there is a thing called a bride price. So there you go. Successor nomination. Why? 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 What just happened? What just happened? Did somebody else die? I bet you someone else died. Yeah. I think that guy died. These people keep dying, or something. Yeah, fine. Sure. I nominate Raphael. Actually. Ooh. It would never work. I was gonna say I could vote for one of the kings, like the King of Jerusalem. He is the King of Jerusalem is an Italian. Oh, he's Orthodox. Never mind. That is no fun. But we'd have a good Italian, you know, emperor. That'd be fun. But I don't think we're gonna do that. I could vote for the Duke of Apulia. That could be interesting. And then gain this area. Actually, now that I think about it, were you at war? Yes, you still are at war. Okay, so there's still the possibility that we'll get this county here. That would be cool. That would be very neat, actually. But before we go to break, who is our successor going to be? Not our successor, but the successor to the Basilissa. I say just keep up the opinion of the Basilissa and just vote for her. Vote for her dude. Ooh, this guy's a stutter. Oh, he's a master schemer. I don't want to touch that. I do not want to touch that at all. Not a bit. Raphael, he's like last on the list. Wow. Well, we'll see. Okay, vassal levies raised too long. We are not going to, yeah. We're not going to be doing this. King Guillaume the Usurper of Aquitaine. Oh, hey, sweet. Yeah, he usurped it. Yes, because I didn't have anything to do with it. But, yeah, King Guillaume the Usurper. Oh, that's hilarious. He possesses the kingdom of Aquitaine. And, his only domain area is this barony. Okay, well, good luck. Yeah, he's gonna have a lot of revolts, but this kingdom is now within the Byzantine Empire, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna sort of sort out exactly what's going on in this little universe, and I'm gonna take a little break, and we will discuss what's going on next time. So I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I look forward to seeing you next time.